to another episode of Camp Dog Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing some venison ground meat. We're going to grind all this up and pack it in 1 pound packs for whatever use we would like. Some days we may want to make chili, we may want to make hamburger, whatever. We can at that point mix it with pork, beef, or whatever we choose to do. Yesterday we did 5 pounds of breakfast sausage. Came out awesome. Took 3 pounds of venison and 2 pounds of bacon bits, bacon pieces, and ran it through the grinder a couple of times, seasoned it all real well, and came out with about 38 breakfast patties. So that was job well done. Today we're going to get started with this. Have my Cabela's carnivore grinder all set up. I have 20 pounds of venison, and we're going to run it all through the grinder one time. I'm using the 7mm die, which is going to give it a medium grind. It's not going to be the real coarse, it's not going to be the fine. So that's the way I like it for sausage or burger. When we did the breakfast sausage, we ran it through twice because we wanted it a little finer. But here we go. Let's get started. I'll just get my hopper loaded here. Be ready to go. Using my foot control, it gives me both hands free to do as I need. Alright, here we go. Trying to really make sharp work of it, I tell you. Alright, I'm going to reload it. This is all from the deer that Beth killed during the week. Hasn't been froze yet. Deboned it all yesterday. The last couple of days, actually. Not like my doggies want some of this too. Can't have it. Here we go. Can't get a leaner meat than this. That's why if you want to make sausage, usually you would add some fat to it, pork of some kind, bacon, or I usually buy the Boston butts and they go on sale. Cut them up and grind that with it. Like to do a 60-40 ratio or 70-30. Some people like 50-50. It's whatever you like. But today we're just grinding and packing. And we'll decide, we'll freeze it in 1 pound bags and decide what we want to do at a later point. Alright, I'm going to reload. Stay with us. Alright, we're at the end of the grinding stage. Look at this pretty meat. It's going to make some good burger, good chili, whatever we want to do with it. I said I had about 20 pounds of meat. Not sure, I'm fixing to weigh it right here. Probably a little less. 19 pounds, 13 ounces. Take a pound off of this aluminum pan. Yeah, about 19 pounds of meat. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, let's get to packing. Well, that concludes another episode of Camp Dog Outdoors. Sure hope you enjoyed the content. Please consider subscribing to our channel. And we got plenty of recipes to bring back to you. We'll see y'all next time.